How to fix Spotify stopping music on your mobile. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix sense of this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So first, now you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. Here, as you can see, we'll find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will go and open Spotify. On Spotify, now go to storage option and go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last and the important things is to go and open Spotify and Play Store or App Store and update it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another videos.